Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on XLK Apple Facebook. So we have our lower high as anticipated. Now we're going to watch for confirmation. It's a bearish reversal, little spinning top candlestick, or you could call it a doji. I wouldn't tell you you're wrong either way. So we were looking tomorrow for a break of 56.23. That would be on our way to confirming this bearish candlestick. And it's a lower high. That resistance was 56.72. We got up to 56.55 before pulling back. And tomorrow we have financial sector earnings. If it's a bullish reaction to earnings, I would expect money to leave the tech sector and go into the financial sector. Just looking for normal, healthy pullback. Maybe we'll look for this gap fill at 56.62 is that gap fill. So we'll look for a higher low to form, and then I will anticipate that the bulls are going to continue strong and head back to higher highs. But after such a strong week, we need to consolidate, cool things off, and establish a new base of support. The weekly time frame is seeing little lower highs and lower lows. PCLN on the weekly time frame just did this pattern before breaking to an all-time high. So we'll see if we get the same kind of reaction here. Certainly healthy with the bullish reversal candlestick last week being confirmed this week. Just need a little bit of healthy consolidation on the daily time frame after getting a bit extended to the upside. Apple on the daily time frame, bulls finally showing up, and I've been trashing the bulls a bit, saying play the strongest names. With regards to today, certainly worth playing Apple because of the upside we saw, and a lot of those major names that have been running all week did not see the kind of move up to the upside that Apple did see. But if you're looking at the past 2 to 3 days, there are still many names that have more significant gains than Apple. So just a really strong day comparatively to everything else, but overall still weaker than the vast majority of the tech names that we look at. So resistance was 148.28. We did break that level up to 148.49. A little bit of an upper wick of profit taking, not significant, as the bulls were still able to close above the upper Bollinger Band. And this is now shifting things where we have our lower highs and lower lows, but now that we have broken the lower highs, we're going to look to consolidate and form a higher low and then potentially a higher high and see some continuation there. Apple is the least correlated to the tech sector overall compared to the other big names that we follow. Worth keeping an eye, or worth noting that as well. So here we are trying to get back over the exponential resistances and the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame. That would be a great way to end the week for these bulls and to have some momentum heading into next week. Certainly still a bullish chart overall considering where we came from. It's just comparatively where we have been lagging, but the bulls are trying to play catch up here, and they did a good job today. Facebook new all-time highs. This is a rocket ship, so obviously you compare this to Apple and it's a completely different story. But we are looking a little toppy after seeing 5 big green days in a row. We've seen very significant gains in that amount of time, and we're watching to see if we lose this upper Bollinger Band, it will indicate consolidation is coming, and we'll be looking for normal, healthy consolidation. Look what happened last huge breakout. Consolidation after we lost the upper Bollinger Band, and it was drawn out, and it was a significant consolidation. So keep an eye on that upper Bollinger Band because losing it indicates short-term healthy consolidation. Weekly time frame is at the upper Bollinger Band resistance, rejecting the price 159.55. We'll see if we reject from that level again tomorrow. I would say more likely than not we will. And again, I am anticipating some money to leave the sector to head to the financial sector. I have no idea what the earnings reaction is going to be for the financials, but I just know that the charts are set up to see some continuation in the financial sector and some consolidation in the tech sector. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in over the weekend and see how it all played out. Have a wonderful night.